Oh my word. Look at the detail. The engraving challenge starts now. Welcome back to which hobby laser machine should you buy? So, in the first episode, you met the competitors, the xTool S1 and the xTool M1 Ultra. But in this episode is going to be about the engraving challenge. We're going to get them to engrave on MDF board. We're going to be judging on engraving quality, on speed, and ease of setup. So, enough said, let's put them to the test. For engraving quality, I'm looking at sharpness, detail, contrast, and the overall finish. Photo engraving tests something completely different. Instead of fine lines, we're looking at grayscale. Can the machine reproduce smooth transitions between light and dark without creating harsh bands? We're also looking closely at the eyes, hair, and facial features because these are often the first places where detail is lost. For this test, we deliberately chose a detailed wedding invitation. It combines thin vector lines, delicate floral elements, and very fine text. The real challenge is this outer flower. Notice how those tiny petals begin to separate from the rest of the design. That's where cheaper engravers often lose definition. If both machines can reproduce these fine details cleanly, we know they're capable of producing professional quality engraved invitations. One thing worth mentioning is that there really wasn't much separating these machines here. Loading the material, framing the artwork, and starting the engraving all felt very similar. Neither machine had a clear advantage, so I'm not awarding any additional points for ease of setup. I don't know who's gonna win. They both look fantastic, and I'm gonna have to score them both a 9.5 out of 10. The sharpness is there, the contrast is there, the detail is there. There's a little bit of edginess in the sharpness, but nothing too drastic. So after the first challenge, they're both tied, which means the speed test is all that much more important. Before we even start, the software already predicts how long each engraving should take. Let's see how close those estimates are to the real-world results. We started with the xTool S1 40 watts. S1 finished the engraving in just 19 minutes and 23 seconds. We then ran the same test on the xTool M1 Ultra, which completed the engraving in 22 minutes and 3 seconds. Well, first of all, I just want to say that the laser software did an amazing job at predicting the laser engraving times. Yes, it was slightly out, give or take 30 seconds, but look, there could only be one winner for the speed test, and that is the xTool S1. I have given it 8 out of 10. And the M1 Ultra a 7 out of 10. Now, they are both scored the exact same result for the engraving quality test, which means the machine that wins the engraving challenge is the xTool S1. Oh, come on, make it rain. Is the xTool S1. And now, the cutting challenge. And oh my word, you are not gonna believe what surprised us there.